We are here in Reiche Zeche in Freiberg, where we are going to talk about the mining technologies and developments about rare earth elements. I am George Barakos. I am a PhD student at the Technical University Bergakademie Freiberg, and my research has to do with the mining of these very special and expensive metals. Rare earth elements have been one of the most underreported areas of research until a few years ago. Only a few countries are producing these elements around the world, and China is dominating the rare earth market for almost 30 years now. In the recent years, the rest of the world has been exploring for their own resources, and more than 400 deposits have been discovered worldwide. The mining of rare earth elements is not different than the other commodities, but there are some special features about rare earth mining. For example, the presence of uranium and thorium and other radioactive elements could be a matter of health and safety, both for the environment and also for the miners. Especially when it comes to underground mining, mine ventilation and a clean environment are vital for the health and the safety of the workers underground. What is even more difficult than mining is the chemical separation and processing of these elements. China was able to develop a low-cost technology all these years and is able now to purify these elements and use them to manufacture high-technology products. Researchers from all over the world are trying now to build their own technology for the processing of rare earth elements. Another special characteristics of rare earth elements is the fact that we are talking about 15 different elements with different applications, different marketability, and different prices. What is even more special is that in the deposits, these elements are not found in equal proportions. So, what is to be further evaluated about rare earth deposits is the value of the different elements and the different proportion inside the deposit, and how this value could be more than the costs to mine it. It has taken more than 30 years for China to develop their own technology and dominate the world of rare earth elements. So it may take a lot of years for the rest of the world to build up their own technology and be able to efficiently mine their own deposits.